Whatever happened to Say Technologies? Remember how we had this whole thing rammed down our throat last earnings cycle? We had all these badass questions asked that looks like they haven't been touched. Um, this is 100% bullshit because first of all, I got approved. My account did. My literal name is Bacon Cheeseburger, and my institution name is Shitadel. Signature Bacon C. I am the I hope they reopen the questions, although I don't see how they would, considering earnings is tomorrow, right? So, what happened to Say Technologies, everyone? Um, you know, but hey, at least they answered the questions, right? Let's go ahead and go through. It looks like they've answered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 questions. Let's start from the bottom. Have you considered expanding AMC to a family entertainment center experience? You could include bowling and arcade laser tag parties and family dining. Cool. Share AMC Entertainment's answers to this question. Will do. Will do. I think I already shared that one. Let's do this one. Let's view this answer. Wow. That's a good answer. Let's go ahead and share it to the community. And my daughter's crying, so time to go take care of that. Here is the answer. All right. Anyways, if anyone knows where the answers are, or if this is what's going on here, that'd be great. Yep, there it is. Gotta go.